Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Multi-Agent Systems. When AI teams work together to solve problems, orchestrating several AI agents to collaborate, each with its role, like a team of experts collaborating on a complex project. Imagine you have a super complex problem to solve, like planning a massive event. You wouldn't ask one person to do everything, manage catering, entertainment, venue, and guest list all by themselves, right? Instead, you'd form a team, a multi-agent system. MAS in AI is exactly like that. Instead of one giant, super smart AI trying to do everything, you have a team of smaller, specialized AI programs. We call them agents that work together. As a developer, think of it as breaking down a huge, daunting software project into smaller, manageable modules. But each module has its own, broad and specific purpose. Why bother with a team when you could just build one super AI? Because specialization makes things better. A single AI might be overwhelmed by a complex problem, making it slow, inefficient, or prone to errors. With MAS, each AI agent focuses on one specific task or aspect of the problem. Think of a medical team. A heart surgeon handles the heart. An anesthesiologist manages pain. A nurse provides care. Each is a specialist for you, the developer. This means building smaller, more focused pieces of code that are easier to understand, test, and maintain, rather than one colossal program. So, what exactly is an agent in this context? Simply put, an AI agent is a program that can perceive its environment, take in information, make decisions based on that information, and then act to achieve a specific goal. It's like a tiny, focused worker bee in your digital hive. For example, one agent might be designed to only monitor stock prices, another to only analyze news headlines, and a third to only execute trades. As a developer, you'll be writing the code for these individual agents, giving each one its own set of rules, inputs it understands, and actions it can perform. Just like any good human team, AI agents need clearly defined roles and ways to communicate. An agent might have the role of data collector, another analyzer, and another decision maker. They need to talk to each other to share information, request help, or pass on results. This communication could be as simple as sending messages back and forth or sharing data in a common place. From a developer's perspective, you're designing these communication channels. You decide, how will agent A tell agent B what it found? What language or format will they use? How will they know who to talk to? Having a bunch of smart agents is great, but they need to work together harmoniously, not just randomly. This is where orchestration comes in. Orchestration is the process of coordinating all these individual agents to ensure they work smoothly towards the common goal, managing the workflow and resolving any conflicts. Think of an orchestra conductor. They don't play every instrument, but they ensure all the musicians play their part at the right time, creating beautiful music. As a developer, you might build a central orchestrator program, or design a system where agents follow a predefined workflow, ensuring tasks are delegated correctly and progress is made effectively. Let's make this real. Imagine building an advanced smart home system using a multi-agent system. You could have energy agent, monitors electricity usage, suggests ways to save, turns off lights when no one is home. Security agent, watches cameras, detects unusual activity, locks doors if a threat is perceived. Comfort agent, adjusts thermostat based on time of day, outside temperature, and your preferences. The orchestration here would connect them. If the security agent detects no one home, It tells the energy agent to power down non-essential devices and the comfort agent to set the thermostat to an energy-saving mode. As a developer, you'd build each of these agents as separate, focused programs and then implement the communication and coordination logic to make them a cohesive team. Learning about multi-agent systems opens up powerful new ways to build intelligent applications. Tackle complexity. You can solve problems that are too big for a single AI. Scalability. Easily add new features by simply introducing new agents without overhauling existing ones. Maintainability. Debugging and updating become easier because you're dealing with smaller, more focused components. Flexibility. Agents can be swapped out, upgraded, or even learn independently. This approach gives you a robust framework for building flexible, powerful, and easy to manage AI solutions, making your life as a developer much more efficient when dealing with complex AI challenges. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.